Hello everyone and welcome to my incredibly messy bedroom. I'm back. Hello. I know I've been gone for like a month. So I was in school and I was finishing up this quarter and it was really stressful and I was just trying to kind of get everything done. So I took a little break and now I have returned. I thought we'd start off with a wee bit of a little vlog kind of style. So today it's Tuesday and this is like my first kind of free day of like summer break, so I'm very excited. I've just been kind of working on a few little like assignments that I had due just like from my bed, which I know you're not supposed to do, but you know, it is what it is. So today I really want to get my house in order, my apartment in order. So it's gonna be kind of a clean with me video a little bit, as well as just kind of like a little vlog type thing. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I just want to kind of get everything organized and together so I can start filming again and being a productive human in society. It's almost 10 o'clock right now. I haven't even had any coffee yet. I've just been kind of working on stuff since about 8 this morning and I'm really tired. So let's go make some coffee, some breakfast, and then I have to go run some errands and then we'll come back and just do some cleaning. Welcome to my kitchen. This is, that's reality, folks. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that today, but this is what we're looking like this morning. So let's start with some coffee. So we've been using this Ripple stuff. It's like a pea-based protein, but it's kind of meant to resemble half and half. And it's really good. It's really like thick and creamy, and we really like it. So I am running a little late, so I'm having a really quick breakfast, just some granola, plain yogurt, and some strawberries. Got my coffee. Gonna get going on the day soon. It's almost 11, so I need to get going. All right, so before I head out for the day, I did want to do some things to tackle this bathtub. I want to deep clean the tub. That is just a patch, which I don't know how clean we're gonna get that, but it's just a little bit grimy. I'm gonna get a new shower curtain too, and I just want to kind of clean it up a little bit. And I just watched a video and they used toilet bowl cleaner. This one is kind of more of a natural type toilet bowl cleaner, so I don't know if it's gonna work as well, but we are gonna try it. I'm gonna put this all over the tub and then I'm gonna leave and then come back and scrub it out. So I have returned with a scrubby. So I'm gonna try to scrub all of that, and we'll see what we can do. Alright, so I was getting a little hungry, so I just microwaved some pizza. This is the Newman's Own like Mediterranean veggie pizza. We usually get the Screamin' Sicilian cheese pizza. I don't know if you can find it everywhere, but if you can, it's delicious. But we just thought we'd try something new, so it was better fresh, but I was gonna have a quick snack. So I finished kind of cleaning the bathroom. I need to go to the store and see if they have a shower curtain, because I threw away my shower curtain, so I need a new one. And I need to do a load of laundry, more dishes, and clean the microwave. I think we can do it. Okay, so I decided to clean my microwave before I go to the store, because it is pretty disgusting. Look at that. Oh. So I'm using these little disinfectant wipes. Alright, much better. So, I took the trash out and everything. I'm gonna see if my husband's gonna go to the store for me. So, now it's time to just tidy the living room and then do the floors. So, I'm gonna do that. Living room is done. I'm gonna go swap laundry, and then I think I might tackle my beauty room. We'll see. So I decided I needed a little afternoon pick-me-up, so I'm gonna make some iced coffee. How do you guys get ice out of trays? Because I always end up breaking them. All right, got some ice. This is literally coffee from this morning. I'm just gonna pour in there. Coffee, ice, coffee. And then, so I like the Ripple stuff in hot coffee because it kind of tastes like half and half. But in this coffee, I'm gonna put some almond milk. I also like coconut milk, that is my favorite. And you can also add like any sweetener you want here too. But I just add like a lot of almond milk. Done. Enter the beauty room. I don't know if I haven't even done a tour of this yet. Those are the doors to my closet, which should be on my closet, but they fell off and I can't put them back on. I need Adam's help, so we'll do that at some point. So my beauty room right now isn't bad. It's just a little messy, so I'm just gonna do like a quick little like 15-minute tidy. We went to TJ Maxx the other day and I got this like super cute little white purse. Lighting's not great, but I just thought it was adorable and it was on sale for like $6. I also, this is turning into a haul. I also got these little sandals, which are adorable. You guys, this is the bin that I keep my socks in. It's literally an old beer box, but hey man, it works. Cleaned up now. I did want to show you, there's this little letterboard we got, my husband did that, and then I got these little plants here, or they're not really plants, that's a fake plant, and this is just a little jar. I just like the texture on it and everything. I'm gonna get some little like flowers or something to put in there, little sprigs, lipstick tower. I really want to exchange this out for something that's more just like artwork or something like that, but I just haven't found anything yet. My little plant here, he's looking better. He was looking a little rough, but he's, you know, looking healthier again. This is a little chest which has like our craft supplies in it. I don't know why my hand sanitizer's on that. And then my little cart, which I love, and my desk. It's really nothing fancy, but it works. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My little beauty room, all kind of cleaned up and organized. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on dinner. I'm gonna be making a jackfruit barbecue pork type thing, like a fake barbecue pork. Alright, so that's almost done. Our kitchen's a mess. And then Adam just made this avocado slaw, which looks really pretty. And we're going to put it all together and eat it.
This camera is too short for me.
What do you think?
Wow! It's really good.
It's really good. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That was good. I think that's where I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean my shower. Anyways, I am back and I will have some more beauty related content for you soon. But thanks for watching this vlog. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye.